Aw, get ready, geometry, because chapter 6 is here. Like it or not, there are questions on the exam from chapter 6. Here is a great list to write down because you guys on the exam, it's going to be multiple choice. And it might say, what is the name for a nine-sided polygon? And all you would have to do is look at your notes and see nonagon and just choose nonagon. Or what is the name for a five-sided polygon? Pentagon. And you just write down pentagon, quadrilateral, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, decagon. Anything past 10, we just call 11gon, 12gon, 13gon. Even though they do have names, we aren't going to concern ourselves with that. Okay? I'm moving on. You guys may have to pause the video to write down the rest of that list, but I'm moving on now. All right, let's see. Oh, this is definitely an exam question. For an object to be a polygon, it must enclose an area with no gaps, must have straight lines, and those lines can't cross each other. Better write that all down right there. 3 properties for something, for an object to be a polygon. Okay? You're going to have to pause the video, but I'm going to move on right now. There's 2 different categories for polygons. There's called convex polygons and concave polygons. Concave polygons cave in, like one of their corners caves in, one or more other corners. So see how this kind of caves in? That's a concave polygon. A convex polygon, all the corners go out, 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 out. You're going to probably have to pause the video, but I'm moving on right now. There's special names. You can have equilateral polygons and you can have equiangular polygons. And if you have both at the same time, it's called regular. So like a stop sign is a regular octagon. A stop sign is a regular octagon because all the sides are the same, all the angles are the same, and it's got 8 sides. Go ahead, count them the next time you're at a stop sign, but don't take too long because then cars will honk at you. Here's another great feature. The angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360. You know how a triangle added up to 180? Well, the angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360. I'll get back to this assignment because there's more notes. You may have to pause the video, but I'm moving on right now. 6.1 notes, more 6.1 notes. Let's see if I missed anything. Oh, okay. There was a teacher that spent way too much time on this, but look at that. Ooh, it's a triangle. Oh, 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 octagon. Yay. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you. A 12-sided figure is called a dodecagon, but we're going to call it a 12gon. That's sweet. Here's another one. Ooh, pentagon, heptagon. Yeah. Hexagon, 6 and hex both have the letter X in it. Quadrilateral, nonagon, ninagon, nonagon. And then 10 is decagon. Fun fact, 10 years make a decade. That's cool. And you know the months of the year? At one point, like, you know how we have December and we have November. And we have October. And we have September. Okay, I'm not going to write the whole thing. But fun fact, back in the day, December was the 10th month. September was the 7th month. Like things got moved around, but sept, hept, octa, octo. Nana, November, and decagon, December. Fun fact. Let's keep on going. Oh, which objects are polygons? Okay. Yes. 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 No, because it has this curve right here. No, because it's got curvy curves. No, because it's got this curve. Yes. Next. I'm moving on. You don't need to write that down. Just look at it. I'm moving on right now. Convex, convex, concave, concave. The teacher that made these spent a little more time making the drawings. Ooh, diagonals go from one corner to another. I forgot to point that out, but diagonals go from one corner to another corner. So you can have more than one diagonal from a corner. Look at that. This one's got two. And I could have drawn this one, and I could have drawn that one. Okay, but I didn't. Does every polygon have a diagonal? Think about that one. Regular polygons are pretty shapes. This is a regular hexagon. This is a regular triangle. How could I find the sum of the interior angles? We already said it, 360. What do we know about the sum of the angles of a triangle? 180. So the four corners add up to 360. So if I wanted to find angle 2, I would add this and that, and then subtract from 360. Oh, find the value of x. So I better do this one. 80 plus 70 plus x plus 2x equals 360 because it's a quadrilateral. 150 plus 3x equals 360. I want to move that there, move it over there by doing something like that. 3x equals 210. X equals 70. I'm moving on. You may have to pause the video. I wasn't expecting you to pause the video earlier, but you should probably write this one down because that would be a great exam question. I'm moving on right now. Hey, look, they add up to 360. Hey, look, they add up to 360. Hey, look, they add up to 360. This teacher did a little more overkill of examples. Hey, let's try 500 of the 360 problems. Yeah, that'll be good. I really, 360. I'm not going to do that one, but for crying out loud, it would be 9x minus 1 plus 10x minus 10 plus 6x minus 7. Now look, I even messed up. Dang it. Plus 5x plus 30 equals 360. And then I would just do the algebra. Okay, that's not the right assignment. This is going away. This is the right assignment right there. Okay, so I want you guys to try those problems right there on page 325. I will post the new chapter also into Classroom. We'll have book assignments today and tomorrow. Okay, so we're learning a new section tomorrow. And I say to you all, in under 10 minutes, which is amazing, good day.